Hi, Billy McClean, Head of Community Health and Care Services here for the weekly vlog. I say weekly, it's been a few weeks since I last did a vlog, and I'm sorry about that. That has not been intentional. There's been lots of pressures, expected and unexpected. So obviously the explosion in Kingston was a significant event in the last few weeks, and certainly my thoughts go out to the families affected by that explosion, and huge thanks to all the staff who were involved in that response. In particular, Lisa McCalpine, who is one of my team, who ended up going out that night and supporting families and the response down there. So thanks to Lisa for that. The other continued pressure is the unscheduled care pressures across both sites. Significant pressures continue across all our health and care services, and that's been really challenging trying to respond to that. And in addition to that, for us, our adult support and protection inspection, starting to look at what the recommendations are from that. So that's not yet out and published, but we do know there are significant improvements that we need to make around some of our areas of recording of practice, and also around audit and quality assurance. So it's been a really busy few weeks, and I've really not had the chance to vlog, so this is the first for a number of weeks. In terms of what's been going on this last week or so, a couple of more positive things just to reflect on. In addition to those significant pressures, we have now had sight of the additional investment that's come into community services. So that looks like for South Ayrshire about £5 million of additional investment, which will make a significant difference around us being able to achieve that vision set out in the strategic plan. So looking at more community-based preventative early intervention services that keep people safer, happier and healthier, and more independent, closer to home. So looking at that team around the practice, looking at reablement and looking at those interventions earlier than reablement, so that people are really living much more independent lives. So that's quite exciting. The challenge that comes with that is, of course, there's lots of cash about, but the workforce workforce pressures are a particular issue for us just now. So recruiting to those posts and retaining staff is a real challenge, and that's something obviously that we're working on and looking at how we can do that in a more strategic way over the coming year or so, so that we're in a better position around all of that. The other thing that we had a meeting about last week, which was, I've mentioned on the vlog several times previously, is the Wallistown work and the work around Newton Primary. Really good to get an update in terms of where that work's at, and really good to hear the engagement with the community in and around Wallistown in order to address all of the issues around inequality that are focused around that area, and really giving us an idea of how we might do things differently, working with families and communities across South Ayrshire, taking the learning from Wallistown. So again, another really important meeting there that takes us a step closer towards where we want to be in that strategic plan. So those are the key points I wanted to pick up today. I don't have anything for the vlog log, so if you do have any thoughts, questions, thanks that you want to share, please share those with me, and I'll make sure they're mentioned next week. I do intend to get back into a weekly rhythm again, so hopefully I'll see you again next week. Thanks.